Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to buy cryptocurrencies on the AltCoinTrader exchange. We are doing this video because people who are trying to invest want to know how to buy cryptocurrency, so we are going to give you a step-by-step process of this. So, welcome to the video, and let's get straight into it. The first thing I am going to do is go to www.altcointrader.co.za. I'll log into my account. If you haven't created an account, there is a link in the description to a how-to video on how to create your very own AltCoinTrader account. Once I've logged into my account, a web page such as this will appear. This is the exchange. This is where we buy and sell our cryptos. There are two options to buying. There is buying manually and there is the easy buy. We are going to show you both ways. But first, let me give you some advice for buying. Obviously, you need to deposit money into your AltCoinTrader account. To do this, we will show you steps further on in the video so that you understand exactly how to deposit money into your account, because you cannot buy something if you do not have any money in your account. The second thing I'm going to say is always research a cryptocurrency before you buy it. Don't just think, ooh, that's the crypto I want. Research it so you have some information about it and then make a decision on what cryptocurrency you're going to buy. And third, always buy with money that you have to spare, not money that you need for the rest of the month, because, guys, it may drop, it may increase, we never know. So always use money to spare and that money that you have available. So let's move on to the video and get straight into it. First off, we have to deposit money into our account to be able to buy cryptos. So we would select the deposit menu at the top. We would then select South African rands and then choose what we are going to deposit using. I'm going to use ZAR bank deposits, and here you will see there is a unique reference number. This reference number on the screen now, please do not use it. That is for this specific account. You will have your own unique reference number, and that is a 9-digit code. So guys, when entering this reference, a lot of people get confused with your reference and my reference on the actual deposit. Just enter it for both. That way there can be no confusion, and then when the money is deposited, it is easy for us to credit it to your account because the right reference number was used. So that is how we are going to deposit money, and then we will click home. Once our funds have reflected, as you can see, I have 320 Rand in this account. We will select the crypto we would like to buy. For this video, I'm going to use Matic as an example, and when I select it, its graph will show, and buy Matic and sell Matic will appear here at the bottom of the screen. So where do we go to from here? I have money in my account, I am ready to buy, so let's get into the buying process. We will go to the buy Matic section, and you can see you can either enter the amount of Matic you would buy, which would be 10 for me, or you could enter how much you would like to spend. I would say 175 Rand, and that gives me almost 10 Matic. So you can either choose the amount of the token you would like to buy, or you can select the amount of ZAR you would like to buy. There is also a slider underneath which you can slide up and down, as you can see, to the maximum amount or to 50%. It depends on what you would like to spend, and then your total will always change at the bottom depending on what you are buying, at what price, and how much you are willing to spend. So as we said, 175 Rand, that is going to get me 9.97 Matic. If I look at the bottom, it will tell me the trading fee is 0.0099 Matic. So that would be the trading fee, and then I would click buy Matic. It would ask me to confirm my buy order. Guys, please take note of this step. It will tell you the amount of Matic you are going to buy, the price of one token, and the total that equals minus the fee that you are going to pay. So I would then confirm the buy, and boom, guys, I have bought Matic. You can see it here in the top right. It is 9.9 Matic in my account, and that is exactly what we bought. If it doesn't execute immediately, that could be because no one is selling at that price. We would then go to my current buy offers, and you would see it would be listed here, and once somebody is selling at that price, it would execute the sale. So guys, sometimes it may take a bit of time, but it will happen. The other option to buy is using AltCoinTrader's easy buy feature. This is a plain and simple feature for those who do not understand the technical aspects of it, and this is how we would use it. So this is the easy buy and sell. If you look on the page, we have buy and sell. We are going to be showing you how to buy. Here we would select what crypto we would like to buy. We are going to use Matic again, and we would scroll all the way down and find Matic on the list. we would then be able to select ZAR 100, ZAR 1000, that is the amount we are going to spend, or other. I'm going to use max for my example, and as you can see, my 145 Rand I have left would get me 8.2 Matic, as simple as that. I can also type in here what I would like to spend, but we are going to use max, and then I would hit the buy button again. Order is placed. It is successful. That means I have my Matic, and as you can see in the top right here, I now have 18 Matic. Guys, that is as easy as it is to buy on the AltCoinTrader exchange. It is that simple to use the easy buy feature. It executes immediately. Why would you not want to use this feature? Guys, I hope this video has helped you. I hope it explains exactly how to buy to you, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.